I oftentimes get asked, can I buy a home in Southwest Florida remotely without having to travel down there every time I want to take a look at homes or make offers? So the short answer to that is yes, absolutely. We have many, hundreds even of out-of-state clients that want to buy homes, and we have successfully been able to complete transactions remotely for many of them. So whether you're looking to relocate, buy a second home, or a vacation home, you can absolutely do it remotely. And that is very important to have that ability, because even though right now the market isn't on fire, homes in nice areas like Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Bonita Springs, Naples, that are priced right and are in good condition are still selling very quickly. So if you're not able to move quickly and view the home and make an offer, there's a good chance that you're going to lose out on that home. So having a trusted professional on the ground locally is a huge asset to you. So what are the steps and what is the process to being able to buy a home locally? The first step is that we're going to look at homes together via the internet. We're going to look at their pictures, at their descriptions, and of the homes that are going to interest you, you're going to pick the ones that you like the best. From there, we are going to do a virtual tour, which means from your home in whatever state it is, we will walk you through the home live. We'll either do it on FaceTime if you have an iPhone, or we'll use WhatsApp if you have an Android. If you don't have either, that's not a problem. We can record the tour and send it to you. Next, we will provide you with all of the local information that you are looking for. You want to know about the schools, the dining, the golfing, where the beaches are. We will provide you with all of that information to make sure you're making an educated guess, an educated investment. The next step would be to make an offer on the home. So we will prepare all of the documents, send it to you via email, review it with you, answer any questions that you may have, and when you're ready and you feel comfortable with the paperwork, you can sign it electronically. We then submit that offer to the sellers just like we normally would. The next step would be all of the inspections and appraisals and dealing with the title companies, which we will take care of as well. We will handle all of the inspections, the appraisals, and dealing with the title companies for you. And if you'd like to be present, you can either fly down during the inspection period and see the home for yourself in real life, or we can do it again using FaceTime or WhatsApp or record the inspection for you. Either way works. Now, a little pro tip. If you are hesitant about going through the entire process and closing without seeing the home in real life, a lot of buyers use this inspection period to fly down and take a look at the home. You can still back out of the purchase for any reason that you discovered during the inspection period. So you're not obligated to go through with the purchase during the inspection period if you find something you're not happy with. After the inspection and before the closing, you're going to have the walkthrough. That's where we will walk through the home, again, either FaceTime, WhatsApp, or recorded, and we will make sure that the home is in the same condition that it was when you first saw the home and made an offer on the home. If there's any damage that's happened to the home during the period of time from when you signed the offer till now, then those are issues that we will raise to the seller and they will have to correct it. After that will come the closing. The closing can be done remotely. On our team, we have title companies that are used to doing this on a regular basis, and they've done it successfully with many purchasers. They will prepare all of the closing docs, and they will send it to a notary that is local to you. That notary will take all of the documents to you wherever you're at, wherever you choose, your home or your office, and they will go through all of the closing documents with you, and you can sign with what they call a wet signature, all of the documents in that fashion. Prior to that, your mortgage professional, especially if we are handling the mortgage with you, will review all of your closing costs right before signing as well. So you will be fully informed every step of the way. And again, this can all be taken care of while you're sitting in your home in whatever state you are currently living in. In summary, buying a home remotely is absolutely a very doable thing that we've done many times successfully. Do not be hesitant to do it. Remember, you've got the inspection period to back out of the transaction if you discover anything that you are not happy with. Again, we've done it many times, and it's a valuable tool to have in your arsenal if you happen to find something that you're very interested in before somebody jumps ahead of you and takes that home from you. I'm David Moliver with Venture Homes Realty. If you'd like to discuss this topic further, please call me, text me, or email me, and I'll be happy to go into it further with you. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. We are going to be providing you with many more videos in the future that are going to be very informative, and I think you'll enjoy. And I also invite you to please leave a comment. Did you like the video? Did you not like the video? What topics would you like for us to cover in the future? That would be greatly appreciated. So until next time, I'll see you on the next video.